welcome back. This is Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. I'm your host, and it's another new day. I'm so excited because today I'm going to do what I've done since I'm 9 years old. This was my father's favorite. Welcome to Vicky's Kenyan. Today we are going to cook chapati, and here are my ingredients. But it's traditional to wash your hands before you start cooking. I have wheat flour, I have semolina wheat flour, salt, baking powder, sugar, cooking oil, butter, and water. We are going to mix our ingredients. I have wheat flour 2 cups, I have semolina wheat flour 1 cup, I have salt 1 teaspoon, sugar teaspoon, so we are going to mix them together. First, you mix your dry ingredients. So the reason why I mixed semolina wheat flour is because it has a high nutritional value. Now I've mixed my dry ingredients together. I will use butter. These are softy, yummy chapatis. So we're gonna go step by step mixing our ingredients. With water, add a little bit at a time to get your results. See that? It's very clean. So at this point, you add a little bit of oil. I'm going to use my clean towel to cover the dough, but if you prefer cling film, a piece of paper or a plate, it's also fine. Unga wangu uko softy, very soft and smooth. Yeah. So I'll be cutting the sizes of chapati I need and rolling them. When you roll them like this, you will have nice soft chapati, ile ya kuchambuka kiasi. Yeah, like that. Sprinkle flour. Sasa hizi ndio zile siku baba yetu alikuwa anatupikia chapati. Ndio Lingala ilikuwa yaitwa Lingala ama ndio rumba. Anapika kidance. Na mami anacheka. Lakini nilikuwa namsaidia. Mimi nilikuwa mtoto mzuri. Sijui wewe. My father used to love chapatis so much. He used to make for us chapati. After you've rolled them, you give your rolled down 5 minutes to soften. You can cover them for 5 minutes. Heat the pan. After the pan is hot, you put your chapati. When the pan is hot, you put your chapatis. I mean, one by one. You control the heat. You don't need too much heat. here we have our guests. On my left, it's Victor.
Yeah.
And on my right, I have Mama Betty.
Yes, to be honest, I'm facing this occasion. I always celebrate for my house, but today I feel so much honor to taste.
Karibu.
Yes, nothing tastes better like Vicky teaches Chapati.
Oh, yes.
I would love to eat all of them, but because I'm on the screen, let me hold my appetite.
With this chapati, you can have with any stew of your choice. If you know how to make good stew for rice, it's the same stew you can use to have your chapati or anything you want to have with. Here, I have beef stew, which is very yummy. My guests will verify that. Kidogo tu Victor, hakuna nyingi ni yangu. Na nyama, hiyo pia weke. Na mchicha, yes. Mami, so you know how we love mchicha.
Yeah, help me. Very much.
Yes.
Very helpful.
So, mnaweza tumia hiyo kukula chapati zenu. Na pia mnateremsha na kajuice. Kako tu hapa. Si ndio? So, for Mami can have chapatis because she's our guest today.
I wish you guys all here around.
Victor, brother.
Flaky Chapati and the spoon.
How is it?
What?
My secret.
I think you won't host me here somewhere. I be eating. Delicious. Wow.
Oh, I'm humble. Yes, thank you.
You guys, I think she gonna invite one of you watching now
Yeah.
to come and eat and taste these yummy chapatis with the chicha and beef stew.
Yes.
It's yummy. I will stop my because I'm eating it. It's not something you can explain. You feel it. Even the touch of the chapati. Yeah, you see it's in lines inside. One by one, and very soft. I love it.
Oh, enjoy. Thank you so much for keeping it. Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. I appreciate the support, the love, the likes, the subs, and everything. Keep watching Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. And one of these days, you might be here with me to taste my meal. I'm so happy to have cooked my father's favorite chapatis. Thank you so much for watching, and it was a blessing to have you too as my guest today, and I'm very happy, humble, be blessed. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Bye for now. Thank you.